We're going to the coldest place, supposedly the coldest place in South Africa.
Because this is not cold enough at the moment yet.
Smiling especially for you guys. I don't smile this much that often.
Been smiling that often lately, so this is a nice change.
Yeah, we're trying to find our smiles back in the back roads. The city's a bit
depressing
at the moment. With all the political shenanigans going on. Anyway, we're carrying on. Wait. We are carrying on despite everything.
Yeah, we've decided, bugger that. We're going to find the little by roads and side roads.
The back roads.
And the back roads.
And hopefully we'll cook some nice food to share with you. We'll eat it and we'll tell you how it goes. Yeah, what you doing?
I'm admiring the beauty of our surroundings. It's spectacular.
No, that is your hair.
Oh, thank you. Let me just not put my neck out. Nice and noisy.
But I have to agree with you, the rest is all beautiful.
I mean, the texture of these rocks and then the snow, it looks like a big cake that you've just lightly dusted it with some icing sugar.
The Skurvebergen.
Yep. The rough mountains.
The rough.
Does it take you back?
To where?
To our other adventures.
Yeah.
Oh.
Seriously?
I'm being dead serious. Padlock.
Do you have reception here? Okay, so I had to turn around at this gate. Come here many times. And it's been open. And now there's a padlock. So I don't know what that's all about.
So we got to the farm now and we met the managers and he and his wife are going to go take us to the eland to see them being fed. Well, we're hoping that they're there, but yeah, so So what's it? Squeal like a pig, boy!
We leave the beautiful Kareekloof for Sutherland and make our way through the Tankwa, flanked by the Cederberg in the west and the Roggeveld Mountains in the east. It is one of South Africa's driest regions with many succulents, making the Tankwa and the Cape Floral Kingdom a biodiversity hotspot. We spent most of the day on dusty back roads on one of the most beautiful winter days, pickling our way up the great escarpment in our trusty beast. From 700 meters above sea level, now 1,682. We're rolling into Sutherland, town without traffic lights. Oh, vintage porn. We arrive in Sutherland at the tail end of a cold front. There are still small snow patches in the shadows of the veld. The town was established in 1855 to serve the local sheep farmers, which it does to this day. It is also the home of the South African Astronomical Observatory and collaborates with other observatories around the world.
Woo!
And found the last bit of snow.
Yeah, it's cold. Flattened your body.
Yeah, what are you doing?
I'm making a snowman for Luca. He's got a big nose. You're right.
I think the camera is. He's looking kind of cute, eh?
His mouth fell out, that's what fell out. I was trying to think what fell out. He put his mouth back.
Karoo snowman.
Oops. I'll push him over.
Do you think he could squeeze himself in so we can get a selfie? I have to zoom out a lot. Oh, it's good. I mean, now we got scale, eh?
Why are your shoes so wet?
Oh, it's a long story. I saved the camera from drowning.
Which camera?
This one. So we're here on the farm called Middelfontein. Sorry, correction. Middelfontein. Just outside Sutherland. And it's bloody cold, man. It's cold out here.
Colder than a witch's tit.
But it's a beautiful day. So we're going for a little hike, scoping out the terrain on the farm. And on the walk, we will see some old Anglo-Boer War ruins. It's a beautiful day.
It's an amazing place. Very dry air though, cold dry
It's
air.
so strange to have this
The
amazing clear sky, and then you got this cold nippy breeze.
Well, we're used to it being so flippin' hot here, so it's like the complete opposite.
Yeah. It's like
And it's quite nice when you walk through the veld now. There's still patches in the shadow areas of snow. Yeah.
Yeah, it's lekker. Oh, we're close to a fort here.
Yeah, this is the first one.
Of an Anglo-Boer War fortification. Yeah. Kareekloof. I think strategically, this was to protect the spring. Obviously, quite an important resource back in the day. And these cottages are called Fontein and Fontein Key. So this would have been the lookout.
It's almost like springs. You can stretch him out and then let him go and he bounces back. It's like, and then this is his little flower. No stem, just seems to grow straight out of the ground, but very sweet. Sheltered here.
Sheltered here, yeah.
Big time.
Yeah. The road we took, backtracking on that road because the farmers in this area have blocked all access to Merweville. All back roads to Merweville have been locked. I don't know how legit it all is, seeing that there are public roads, and I don't know for whatever reason. So yeah, so we're getting all the way back to Sutherland and we're taking an alternative route to Merweville. So essentially we haven't gained any distance so far. We're still backtracking back to Sutherland.
Nice and cold. Next gate. Maak die hek toe. And these are never just easy. For shits and giggles. the new gate bridge. Hi guys, thank you for all the love and support on Patreon. And if you want the journey to continue for as little as a cup of coffee, you can support us on Patreon. The link is in the description below. Click it!
All of that wasn't filmed.
Yeah, fucking football.